thunderstorm warning for
Oh.
northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, southern Broward County in southeastern Florida until 6:30 p.m.
What the
At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Miccosukee Resort, or 8 miles northwest of Kendall, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Miami, Hialeah, Pembroke Pines, Miramar, Coral Gables, South Miami, Kendall, the Redland, Doral, Miami Lakes, Hialeah Gardens, Pinecrest, Miami Springs, Sweetwater, West Miami, Medley, Westchester, Glenver Heights, Palm Springs North, and University of Miami. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow.
Now for the
Yes,
official
we are.
national